What do we have here? What is this? Oh. What do you think? Free, needs work. No? You don't think so? I don't know. I kind of like it. I think maybe we should take it home. No? Yeah, come on. So, found this lawnboy out in the wild. This is pretty much how they look when you find them out in the wild. And the price was right. Here, if we can see that. And it's a little dirty. Looks like somebody just pulled this out of their garage. Didn't want to deal with it, which is probably better than messing around with it. It is, let's see if we can, it is a 10415, and the serial number starts with a 4, so that means it is a 1994 model. I think they made these for 3 years, 93, 94, 95. This is 2024, so that makes this thing about 30 years old. So we'll see if we can clean it up, get it going. It does turn over, has good compression, so I don't think it'll take too much to get this one going. So yeah, this thing followed me home like a lost puppy, and see if I can do it justice. All right. So on the left here, I have the 10,415 that I just picked up. I'm trying to go through it, and what I found is that it is the same year as this 10,650. See if we can, that I picked up a year or so ago. Here you can see it. So that's the 10,650 that I picked up 2 years ago. And it is the same year as the 10,415 that I just got. And it has the air filter pieces. This was the pieces here on the front here for the carburetor. Actually, let's take a look. There's the broken piece in here. Let's pull that out. Yeah, there you can see that it's broken on this. And here the airbox. So here's some of the other pieces. There's this carburetor that I pulled off the 10,415. It's pretty gunked up. Actually, I cleaned it out some. The needle was stuck in there. That's the main issue that you run into with these things when you get them, is people run gas with alcohol in it, and it sits in there and gums those up. So what I'm going to do is this guy is going to be my new ditch brush get down and dirty mower, my replacement for the Franken mower since I scrapped that guy. So yeah, let me finish putting this other thing back together, and we'll do some mowing with this. All right. Now that I got the air filter on there, thought I would give this a try and see if we can cut some grass with it. See if we can start it up here.